that we learned from examples. So my group mates and I will be giving you lots of examples. First is my example, the 15th root of 125. As what is mentioned above, if the radicand is an exact power of the degree equal to a factor of the index, the order of the radical may be reduced by expressing the radicand as the power in a fractional exponent. So, first, we will find a factor of 125, which is, let's say, the exponent may be simplified with 15. So, we find now 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3 or 5 cubed is equals to 125. So, next is 5th root is equals to 115. 5th root, 15th,